It feels like a rug. Oh yeah. Okay, it's shedding. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and it's the winter time, which means one thing and one thing only: Operation Be Cozy at all times. Yes, I know I live in California, so staying cozy at all times isn't very important to me, but I'm thinking about the big picture, you know what I'm saying? And the rest of the Goldie squad needs to stay cozy at all times, and I just like to be warm. It's time to cozy your world. We have the fuzzy phone case. I've made so many phone cases on this channel, and I think this is 100% my favorite. It is so warm and fun, and it's so cute. You can take like a mirror selfie, you know, and it's like, everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, what phone case is that? You're like, GoldieBlox, you know what I mean? So yeah, fuzzy phone case. Let's hack it. This DIY, you'll need white yarn, a hot glue gun, a ruler, and a white phone case. First, measure the width of your phone. Wrap the yarn around your ruler till it reaches your measurement. Remeasure when you get to the camera area and adjust. Hot glue the yarn to your phone and snip away the yarn away from the ruler. Repeat until it's covered. Just trim around the camera, fluff it up, and you're done. A fuzzy phone case. It's beautiful, pretty, and functional. The one thing that I definitely should have done is cut out more space for the camera hole on the back, but it kind of like, if you take a picture, it kind of makes it look like a winter wonderland around you. So it's like a built-in filter. So yeah, that's also really cool. When your hands get cold, you know, just rub it. You know, friction, baby. It gets it warm fast. If you're like on a road trip, you know, going to see your grandparents for Christmas, and you need a pillow fast, just kind of like set it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs every Friday. Also, turn on that notification bell to get notified. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Dawn Denise Pulley. She watches my videos with her daughter, and she's gonna do some of my DIYs with her. I love that, guys. I encourage that. Watch this with your mom, make hacks together, girl empowerment together, you know? It's just like a great time. That is all I have for you guys today. GoldieBlox, signing off. If you like that, hit subscribe. There's plenty more DIYs coming your way every Friday.